Did you know that nearly 70% of homeowners believe that renovating their space is something only the wealthy can afford? It's a staggering statistic, but it's also a misconception that we need to bust wide open. Home renovations don't have to come with a hefty price tag. In fact, you can transform your living space with just $50. Yes, you heard that right. With a little creativity and determination, you can dive into the world of DIY home renovations without breaking the bank. So, let's talk about it. The common belief that renovations require a mountain of cash is what keeps many of us from sprucing up our homes. We scroll through Pinterest, drooling over beautifully designed spaces, and think, that's nice, but I could never afford it. But what if I told you that with just a small budget, you can achieve stunning results that make your home feel brand new? Let's explore some incredible DIY projects that not only fit into the $50 budget, but also allow you to express your creativity and personal style. First up, let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for a room. Whether it's an accent wall or a complete refresh, paint can breathe new life into any space. You can grab a gallon of paint for around $30 to $40, and with some basic tools, you can completely transform the look and feel of a room. Imagine going from drab beige walls to a bold teal or a soft lavender. Just think of the impact. Now, if you're looking for something that's even more budget-friendly, consider upcycling furniture. You know that old chair sitting in your garage? With a little sandpaper, some paint, and perhaps a new cushion, you can turn it into a statement piece. You might spend around $20 on paint and $10 on fabric, and voila! You've got a chic, personalized chair that adds character to your space. Plus, it's a sustainable option that keeps furniture out of landfills. Let's not forget about decorative accents. A little creativity can go a long way here. You can create stunning wall art using just some canvas, paint, and a few brushes. Or how about making your own decorative pillows? You can find fabric remnants at craft stores for just a few bucks, and with some basic sewing skills, you can create custom pillows that match your decor perfectly. One of my favorite transformations involves a simple wooden crate. You can often find these at thrift stores or even in your garage. With a little paint and some careful assembly, you can turn that crate into a stylish side table or a unique plant stand. Imagine the before and after. A dusty, forgotten crate becomes a focal point in your living room or patio, all for under $50. Let's also talk about lighting. Changing out light fixtures can be a game changer, but it doesn't have to cost a fortune. You can find affordable pendant lights or even create your own using items from the hardware store. A simple DIY pendant light made from a basket or a colander can add a touch of whimsy to your dining area or kitchen. You can find these items for less than $20, and with a little electrical know-how, you can have a stylish new light fixture that will wow your guests. And here's a particularly impressive transformation to consider: a dated bathroom vanity. With just a little paint and some new hardware, you can turn a drab old vanity into a sleek modern piece. Imagine the before picture: wood that's seen better days, outdated knobs, and a lackluster finish. Now, picture the after. A fresh coat of navy blue paint, shiny new gold knobs, and maybe even some decorative touches like a small plant or a stylish mirror. It's incredible what a few small changes can do to elevate the entire space. As we wrap up, let's summarize some of these key DIY renovation ideas. First, paint can work wonders, whether it's a full room or just an accent wall. Upcycling furniture is not only budget-friendly, but also allows you to personalize your space. Decorative accents like homemade art and pillows can add character without costing a fortune. And let's not overlook the impact of lighting. Simple changes can create a whole new atmosphere in your home. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, it's about how you choose to spend it. Small budget projects can lead to significant home improvements, and they can be a lot of fun too. So, if you enjoyed these ideas and want to see more creative and budget-friendly renovation tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's embark on this DIY journey together and transform our homes one project at a time.